Hello YouTube. Today what we got here is a box from Target. You're probably gonna see the little Pokemon binder with the TCG Booster Pack. I got this here at Target for $15. I found out about it from a guy on Instagram. He had posted saying that he went to Target and he found this nifty little box here. It contains, well, he discussed it with the manager and they came up with a price of $15 because it wasn't priced, but the manager actually messed up because there's a lot more in here than that. So let's go ahead and jump in. Open this little box here. It's from the Primal Clash collection. Let me get this opened here. So these are what's actually inside of the box. It comes with a booster pack from Primal Clash, and also a little 60 card collector's album holder. So we'll go ahead and start opening these up here. Let me see. So we've got Spheal, Shroomish, Zigzagoon, Weedle, Benelby, a reverse hollow dual blade, and a rare Delcatty. Let me see. Celio and Escape Rope. Here's another one with Agon. I believe there's 12 packs in this box here. So we'll get into that. We got Torchic, Slugma, Illumise, Tangela, Nidoran. Oh, sick. What is this? Ancient Trait Nidoqueen. And, oh my gosh, a full art Trevenant EX. Look at that beauty. Oh yeah. We got that here. I'll put that Nidoqueen reverse hollow. And then we got this Teammates card. This one's pretty good actually. Dual Blade and Professor's Birch Observation. So usually at at Target, these would go for like $5 each. Hi.
So bright.
Yeah. We got this one here.
Is it your birthday?
No.
It looks like it. Baby boogers! Hi!
My girlfriend's roommate. So we got Bidoof, Tangela, Shroomish, Trico, Zigzagoon, reverse Marshtomp, and a rare Starmie.
She didn't already leave for work, did she?
Mm-hmm.
What? I missed it. I have to say, what I am going to miss most about my living here is seeing all of the random stuff in it from the DI.
Mm-hmm.
you. You're so cute.
Oh, we got something in there. Tentacle, Meditate, Clamperl, Bidoof, Tangela. Ooh, a reverse Hollow Ludicolo, Ancient Trait, and a Gardevoir EX. Take a look at that. This guy back here. This guy back here. What I really want to pull is a reverse Ancient Trait Kingdra. And a full art Kyogre, of course. And now the reverse Tangrowth. It's hollow. Oh, Ludicolo. Rare. Kakuna, Macargo, Neoqueen. We got 3 or 4 more. Got Volbeat, Nosepass, Drillbur, Solrock, Lilted, Reverse Chinchou, and another Gardevoir EX. Interesting. Gosh, oops. Oh well. There you guys go. Yeah, let's spin that. Volbeat, Nosepass, Drillbur, Solrock, Reverse Macargo, and a Medicham Ancient Trait Rare. I thought all of them were going to be hollow or reverse, but it's just rare. Shredding Memory is Lantern. I'll go with that. Okay, this is second to the last one. Got Torchic, Tentacle, Nidoran, Dynamo, Chinchou, a Reverse Screwlow, and a rare Diggersby. Ooh, Kyogre Spirit Link. Ancient Trait Bunnelby. Ancient Trait Electric. This is the last one of the box. I'm gonna lag around, see what we got here. I'm gonna meditate, Clamperl, the Doof, Tangela, Shumish, a Reverse, Powdown, and a Beedrill. So we got a Flirt Trevenant, Gardevoir EX, a Reverse Hollow Nidoqueen, Ancient Trait, another Gardevoir EX, and a Reverse Hollow Ludicolo. I do have this other box here that I'm going to be opening. My girlfriend's actually going to be opening it, and she's going to throw in her side of what Pokemon cards are. So hopefully you guys see that video too, and good luck catching these sweet boxes at Target. Sometimes they just put them on the shelves, or they're still in the boxes to stock them, so I recommend going at night when they're doing their stocking and see what they got there. Alright, good luck, see you guys, thanks for watching.